Okay, what are you doing, Dan? Alright, well, you just scared the shit out of me. Here we are, we're trying to row up to the house. We parked back there.
Skipper Dean at the helm?
Skipper Dean at the helm here. My dad. Water's gone down a little bit, not a whole lot. Apparently my house still has knee-deep water in it, and I'm coming to check on it to update the photo for FEMA if they do decide to help us. My father is about the non-paddling fellow I've ever seen in my life.
The what?
Non-paddling fellow.
I think we're doing an excellent job of that.
Skipper Dean. He paddles backwards.
I like to see where I'm going.
That there is my neighbor's car. It just floated away. Yep. As we go here.
Dun, dun, dun. Mississippi Queen. Dun, 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 dun. You ever hear that song?
For FEMA, right?
For FEMA?
This is for FEMA.
Oh, this is a FEMA tape?
Yeah. This right here is the Port of Smiley we're pulling up in.
Well, I'll get it right up in it.
Alright.
There we go.
Alright. Let's see here. That's what we just crossed. We're surrounded by it completely. On the little island here. Never did look at my car. Try to take a peep at it here. Oh yeah, my car is just totally fucking ruined. My God. Oh yeah. See the water line on it, Dean?
Oh, yeah.
All the way across everything, my electronics. So, wow.
You got good sound of the water line there.
Yeah, that's what I did right here, the water line, all the way up the side of it. Crazy. Water line on the side of it. Completely submerged. My house was a disaster area. Nothing else on me? Okay. This is my house. That still hasn't went down all the way yet. Pull my pants up here. It's a shame I'm not getting no help from nobody at all, really. At all. Nowhere. It's a shame. It truly is. You know, a lot of people have been working hard paying their taxes and they can't get no relief nowhere. That's truly sad. I now have fish in my house.